Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to return AliExpress item. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders section right here. So here find the order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details, and there you should find button Returns and Refunds. So now it should look like this. When you want to make a return to AliExpress, first of all you have to answer a few questions. The first question is, did you receive your item? You have to select yes. And the second question is, do you want to return your item? You have to select yes as well. Next, you have to provide a reason why are you requesting your refund or return. In our case, it's return. So tap this arrow and you will see a list of reasons. So you have to tap one reason that describes your problem the best. Tap continue. And then you have to enter refund amount if you want to have your refund, because usually when you return your item to AliExpress back, you are not getting your refund. Tap continue. And then confirm your return method right here. So there are two methods. The first method is AliExpress free return service, and the second method is self drop off. You have to decide for yourself which one works out for you the best and select one method. Tap continue. Then you can provide more information, but this thing is optional, but you can still do that. Here in this box you can write a few sentences where in details you describe your problem, and in the very end you can upload a photo or a video as a evidence right here. And of course submit your request. Usually requests are processed within a few business days, and after your request is approved, make sure that you have your free return label. So to do that you need to go again to My Orders section right here, tap View All and find item that you want to return. Tap on it to open its details, and there you should see your free return label. But actually you have a deadline of 5 days to do that. If you miss this deadline, your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen your dispute. So make sure you have your free return label, then download it and print it. What's next? Pack your parcel with your free return label on, and within 15 days you have to drop off your parcel at the local post office. You have 15 days after receiving your return label. And basically all you have to do is just wait until your seller receives your package. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.